And good morning, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. A little bit of coffee. Just tired today. No funny hats. Just woke up from my nap. Because I've been up since 3:30 in the morning. Yeah. Yeah, the sun just woke up. Rose up. Yeah, I tell you one thing. I am very tired. Okay. Another reason how I could stretch out a 217 budget on food is I do gleaning. And this is from our local orchards around here. It's about 10 miles away. I help out and I glean their produce that won't make it to market. And they tell me I can take all I want and I help them out on their oranges. Sorry about a little sniffing, but okay, see that? And the rest goes juice processing, regular food and stuff like that. Now, I've been watching LA Prepper. Doesn't do anything but not prepping, but driving around, coming home, going nuts, probably because he's working so many hours and he lives in a ghetto. Okay? That is a bad plan. Nobody should do that. Remember?
No!
Okay, now back to. Oh God, what a mess. I don't want to show you. This is the receipts from December. Okay? That I spent 2 piles of receipts out of my own pocket to feed people. Now, before I got the kids, let's see, it was $176.20. $176.20. Okay, before I got the kids, the 16 adults I was taking care of. With the kids, it went up to $236.22. Now, a lot of people says, why don't you give them to child services? Well, they belong to my church family. We know everybody, including the child services. It's better if we take care of them because it's our family. Okay, not some total strangers getting money from the state. We don't trust the state. We don't want our kids to be abused. We don't want our kids to be contaminated by the red dragon. So we keep it in our community. We don't want some idiot state official. We know what's good for them. We're Democrats. Screw you guys. Okay? And also their blood relations. So we're taking care of them. Now, father is improving. Okay? He's still in recovery. He looks like he got kicked in the head. Now, Hubbles and me were talking about this, the long-term effects of red dragon. His lungs looks like mine. And I used to be a smoker and I had some damage crushed. It looked like exactly mine. And he never smoked in his life. So a lot of you says, I'm cured from the evil red dragon. Okay? It won't be, it doesn't matter. You don't understand. It stays in your system. Once you're infected, it's there forever. 2. All right? This is just an update. 2. I'm going to see my doctor, which is kind of weird because we've been in lockdown, and I know that medical center has been seriously locked down because they're afraid of the South African variant, 117 version. Okay, so I got to figure out why they're trying to call me in. They know I can't take any of these shots. I have morbidities, and I'm allergic. I list it down, and I know how bureaucracy works. Oh, you feel better if we give you this shot or that shot. And I'm not a frontline worker. I'm not in first responder group. And I'm doing the sensible thing in my group. I'm going to be tucked away, only exposing myself when necessary. because I got a stupid family. Okay, I'll catch you later, folks.